Welcome back. Today we got a tropical storm headed our way. Should be here like after lunch, and so we're gonna throw a drain field in because we're Floridians. That's what we do. What we got today is a repair. Chandler's digging the tank up now, and then the new drain field is gonna go back the back side of this pool. We're gonna beat this storm, so there's not gonna be a whole lot of me talking. Enjoy it. Well, we made perfect timing. So we played the rain game today. We went and did a few little small things this morning because it was raining, and then we jumped out on the job while everything was died down. We got the whole job in, 375 square feet of drain field. As soon as we were packing up, Elsa made her presence. It's Tropical Storm Elsa, if you didn't know. But thank you guys for watching, and enjoy it. I'll see you. Hello, beautiful people. We are out here at a beautiful piece of property. Got 20 acres to play on for a new home. It is 250 square feet and a new tank, all in ground. We're gonna slap it in real quick this morning, and then we're gonna go do something else. I don't know what we're gonna do. The storm has passed. The rain is spotty. Here we are today, and we're gonna get it in. New home, Chandler. But we're gonna throw this in real quick. We have another repair with a new tank and drain field tomorrow to do. We're gonna get to it.
Alright, we're finished with this one. We got the tank in. It's in 60, relatively easy. 250 square foot of drain field, and that's it. Low pros. 23 low pros. One line shorter than the other. Alright, let me show you what we got going on today. So, we're doing a repair. It's 500 square foot. There's not enough room in the front yard. There's the tank there. It runs like that, probably about where that sticks at. That's the end of it. Lift station we just installed is right here. We're gonna hand dig down the side. Chandler's starting now on the back side of this fence. We're gonna pump it to the back, and then we're gonna put 500 square foot in the back where there's actually room. There's no room in the front. Right now I'm gonna pipe in these two tanks, install the pump, install the riser, run the power over here, and gonna get it going. And then gonna go around back and start. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Oh man, that was a long day. So we got the line ran down the side of the house. Tons of handwork, lots of handwork. This job that you've seen us do today, it was 500 square foot of drain field, so it was 45 of the low pro chambers, 300 gallon lift station, and then it's a 1050 existing tank with a filter. The pump is a 3rd horsepower Barnes pump, if anybody cares. I love Barnes. But yeah, so that's today.